Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to export data from Notion. Exporting data from Notion is a crucial task for anyone looking to back up their information or transfer it to another platform. Whether you are a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding how to efficiently export your data can save you from potential headaches, such as losing important information due to accidental deletion or unforeseen technical issues. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring your data is safely and effectively exported. To begin, the first step is to log into your Notion account using your credentials. If you're new to Notion and don't yet have an account, you can easily get started by clicking on the Get Notion Free option. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account, and you'll be ready to dive in. Once logged in, regular data exports are highly recommended. This practice not only helps in creating backups, but also ensures that your data is secure and accessible whenever needed. To start exporting, navigate to the left side panel of your dashboard and create a new page if you haven't already. This is particularly important if you're just getting acquainted with Notion. It's a great way to organize your workspace. Now, let's talk about personalizing your page. You can change the cover or even upload a new file to make your workspace truly yours. Next, to actually export your data, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll notice an ellipses button represented by 3 dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you will find the export option. Notion allows you to export your data in various formats. You can choose from Markdown and CSV, PDF, HTML, and even CSV again, depending on your specific needs. This flexibility makes it easy to ensure your data is compatible with other tools or platforms you might be using. When exporting, you have the option to select different views. You can choose to export the current view or the default view. Additionally, you can decide whether to include content, exclude files or images, and even include subpages. If you choose to include subpages, Notion can create folders to help keep everything neatly organized. Let's say, for instance, you want to export your data as a PDF. After selecting this format, simply click on the Export button. You will then be prompted to select the file directory where you wish to save your PDF. Choose your preferred location, and the export process will be complete. Exporting your data from Notion not only provides flexibility and control over your information, but also enhances management, security, and usability across various contexts and tools. This process ensures that you can seamlessly integrate your exported data with other applications or platforms you use, making it a versatile choice for both personal and professional needs. And that wraps it up. If how to export data from Notion feels easier now, subscribe, because plenty more guides are on the way.